Despite the rapid advancements in home technology over the last decade, industry experts at the 2018 Kitchen and Bath Industry Show, also known as KBIS, say the next 3 years will be even more impressive with exponential growth. But before we pontificate what the future may hold in home tech, let's stay in the present and talk about what's available right now. A smart home is a home equipped with appliances and devices that you can control remotely via Wi-Fi using a device such as a smartphone. Smart appliances can even learn from your patterns and daily routines and adjust to make your life easier. Taking it a step further, a smart home detects when something happens out of the norm and figures out what to do. Thermador, Bosch, and Gaggenau teamed up to create a Home Connect display at KBIS. Talking about smart home technology is fine, but until you experience it firsthand, it's just an idea. What made the demonstration really special was an on-site Tesla loaded with Eve Connect technology. We already told you that smart homes are controlled through a device like a phone. In this case, the Tesla was set up to control appliances made by Thermador, Bosch, and Gaggenau right from the dashboard of the car. Appliances aren't the only items looped into the smart home network. Insteon dimmer switches and electrical plugs are designed to coordinate with Eve Connect as well. For some of us, getting on board with smart home living feels like a fit, but for the rest of us, it could take some convincing. If you fall into that second category, consider this. A smart home regulates electricity use, saving you quite a bit of money on your power bill, while also minding the planet.